All right, so I just got this DJI mic. Some people have talked about that some of the packaging inside ended up changing, so I just ordered this. Today is Wednesday, November 16th, 2022. So I'm opening up the package and see if there's any difference from the old packaging that everyone's claiming they had versus this one. Little carrying case. Let's see what's in here. So pamphlets and stuff that pretty much none of us care about. So we have the USB to USB-C cable for charging, the TRS cable for the receiver, and we have two pretty much wind muffs. So, all right, here's the packaging. So let's see what's in it. This is the DJI carrying case, a charging connection to USB-C. Opening it up. Here it is. I guess the moment you open it, it starts pairing. Magnetic. All right. So take one out at a time. We got one. We got two. We have the receiver right there, the hot shoe adapter, the USB cable, and the lightning cable. So this is the carrying case. This is everything that's in there. Now it's empty, just so you see what's in here. Okay. Here we have receiver, mics with optional lav inputs if you wanted to. Really strong magnet, so it's gonna be cool if you wanna put it on your chest or through your clothes or whatever. So that's cool. One of the things that I wanted to get into that it's about the packaging, whether it's different or not. It's before in the original packaging, I guess the TRS and TRS cable that goes to the receiver had a L-shaped one, so it was better at an angle. But I guess a lot of complaints that people were having, and I've looked them up on YouTube as well, everyone's having the issue where they're either getting a lot of static or a lot of interference, and they were blaming the angle of it. So in 2022 November, I'm getting I guess the new revised version of it. So it looks cool so far, but that's the only difference I'm seeing. For those of you that are recording on the mobile device, you just literally pop this guy in here, and apparently it's supposed to sit perfectly flush. So the connectors of the lightning are connected to the receiver correctly and properly. So yeah, man, I mean, overall, it looks like the transmitter is working properly. Now the only thing is, if you're gonna use your iPhone or whatnot, let's see if this fits with the case on it. Let's see, let's put this on. Oh, cool. Even with the case on, it's actually perfect. So that's pretty cool. So if you're recording your anything with your actual phone, this is it. You'll be sure to record the audio right there. So that's how you're gonna do it with the phone. So the only difference I noticed in this packaging is clearly the TRS cables, and I'm gonna put links for Amazon in case you guys do want to purchase this. I highly recommend it. I came from a Rode Go system, which is still great, but this one's just better. So again, if you guys are interested in buying this, I'm going to put Amazon links below. If you'd like to purchase it, I recommend buying this. If you are thinking about getting a wireless mic setup, you're getting two independent recorders on top of the regular transmission that it does. So definitely a great bargain for it. And it already comes with the magnetic things as well. So that being said, hopefully you guys, again, like I said, like this video and subscribe. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.